Hi, thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at close quarter circling of an object. Practice flying the DJI Spark. We see it in standard mode where we circle the object by using the left stick to rotate the drone and the right stick to move it either left or right. A combination of the two sticks moved should allow us to circle the object. The smaller the object, the closer we are, the harder it is to maintain a circular path. So this video, warts and all, is a comparison of standard mode circling, and then we'll put it into tripod mode and see what the difference is. So we're quite close to the object, trying to keep aware of the surroundings. There's bushes, garage wall, and the object itself. It would be nice to think we could just circle this smoothly, but it is after all entitled a practice video, and the more we practice the better we get. So let's just sit back and watch the progress of the standard mode, and then I'll change to the tripod mode. There is a little bit of wind today, and I had to wait quite a while to get 11 satellites for GPS mode. So those two factors might have a little bearing on the flight. We're coming to the end of the standard mode flight. Here we are, tripod mode. The Spark's been landed, battery changed, into tripod mode, and off we go. Straight away we can see it's slightly smoother. Certainly the gimbal moves are a lot smoother, but again that can be altered in the settings. So the same movement of the two sticks together, left and rotate, are what gives us the circle. It is a challenging object being so close, and I can assume that from this that the larger the object, the further away we are, the less noticeable any moves or jerks would be. They do say practice makes perfect, so it's up to yourselves how much you might want to practice to hone those skills. I know there's such a thing as circle mode in the gestures, but in this instance it's using the 2 sticks. I think I said circle mode in gestures, I meant to say in quick shots. So anybody looking for a circle mode of a person or an object when out with a lot of space might well use one of the quick shots for a circle mode of the object or yourself or a group. So here we are, coming to the end of the short video. I hope it's been of interest. Thanks for joining me. Join me again soon. Back on charge, little Sparky.